The process of ecdysis, or shedding, is normal in all reptiles. In a bearded dragon, you first start noticing a dragon coming into shed when you see whitish or gray areas of skin. It looks like the skin is discoloring. You notice on the front leg of this dragon and around her neck. I've received phone calls and emails from people concerned that there was something wrong with their dragon because the skin was discoloring. Baby dragons go through almost constant sheds, one to the next. Adult dragons, on the other hand, tend to shed only once a year, but they shed in pieces. And as you can see, this adult dragon, his entire back, parts of his legs, and part of his head is very white. The skin will continue to turn white. It will then go through a phase where it's translucent again, where you can start to see the color through it, and then will dry and crack and start peeling off. One of the important things about dragon shedding is that we not try to pull the skin off of the dragon before it's ready to fall off on its own. The skin underneath, if it's not ready, is still damp, and pulling skin off early exposes the dragon to severe dehydration risk. There's always a temptation to want to help pull the skin off of the dragon as it's shedding. We need to be patient and allow the dragon to shed on its own. If there's very loose skin that's falling off, that's irritating the dragon, it's okay to help a little bit, pull that off of their face. But in most cases, patience and allowing the dragon to do it on their own is the safest course. You don't want to damage the new skin underneath, and you certainly don't want to leave them open to severe dehydration by pulling the skin off early. It's funny that juvenile dragons tend to shed their entire bodies at once, where adults shed it in patches. This girl, the skin is coming off of her head, but you can still see, in this case, the skin has actually gotten to the point where it's dry, it's cracking, and you can start seeing the skin coming off. At this point, when it's dry and falling off on its own, it's not really a problem to help them out a bit. In this case, the skin's not really bothering the dragon, but I'm just showing that the dried skin just peels off very easily, and the underneath skin is dry, and the skin that's peeling off is also dry. When in doubt, leave it alone. Best to let the dragon shed on their own.